Yeah, boy. This plan is never gonna work. Well, okay, I walked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Nobody's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back. All the way back.
All the way to the Big Bang?
95% certain.
Which means there's a 5% chance we're just in a tunnel.
A tunnel? In space?
We've seen weirder things, Quill.
I am Groot.
Yes, like that.
Gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
We got the generator. You know what would really help? An instruction manual. 100 stories.
I'll destroy you.
We get that all the time. Rocket, anytime. Okay. Let me try this.
That gives me gas.
We're here. It's about time.
Of course it's about time. Have you not been paying attention?
Nova Team, link your Star Blasters. You have them contained, but not for long.
Locking coordinates for Echo.
It's Epcot. Remind me to raise our rates.
You're all heroes. Do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? And do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.